have come to a realization that I am in love with my dog Link. She is so loyal. She would never leave me for someone else. Oh! Hello everybody and welcome to my vlog. Right now you are listening to my intro song. In just about 2 seconds the show will go on. 1, 2, you idiot! How could you, Link? On the lap of another man?
Better find out something else to vlog today, Scott, or else you'll look pretty stupid.
How could you do this to me? I've had you since you were a puppy, Link.
What a pathetic human.
I'm such a loser! I'm a loser!
No, you're not. You're blessed.
Oh, Todd bless.
Looks like you'll have to find someone else to cuddle with, Scott.
Yeah, I guess so. And my girlfriend's over at Liza's house, cuddling with her. So, Todd, you want to cuddle?
Sure.
Cool, I found someone. See you later, assholes. Come on, let's go.
That worked out for you after all.
Let's go cuddle in here. Right here, come on. Woo! Cuddle me.
Okay. Cuddle you.
Yo, Kristen. Where are you? You're not there. Kristen. Whoa, what is this?
Are
you trying?
I'm trying to think of a funny joke.
You're really taking your time thinking of a joke. Alarms are just going off in my head right now about things that you could possibly say.
I have so much time.
We gotta work on that. I just went out there. No stickers on the camera lens. My hand's cold?
Yeah.
Guys, your neighborhood pranksters, Scott and Kristen, are right here right now with the greatest prank possibly ever known to mankind, right, Kristen?
Yes.
What is the prank?
So we're gonna set up alarm clocks around the house, and then we're gonna set them all to go off at the same time, and then they're gonna be in hidden places, so they're just gonna be like,
It's 3:17 right now, so we'll do the prank at 4 o'clock. That gives us plenty of time to set up. And now to commence Mission Annoy. That's a cool name for a mission, right? Mission Annoy.
yeah.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm just editing.
Why?
I have a vlog to post today.
Fine.
What?
Fine.
What do you want?
I just wanted to talk to you. Good talk. I'll see you later.
That's it?
That's it. That's all I wanted to say. Hey.
Do you know what song this is? I can't remember what I used and it's on my other computer.
A lot of people, even my friends.
Otis McDonald,
Yes.
Crazy.
Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you.
No problem.
Struggling.
I got you, dog. Link, what are you doing? You're not allowed on the couch. Yes, you are. You're allowed to do anything you want because you're the greatest little puppy in the whole wide world. You want to help me hide an alarm? In plain sight, Link. It's still good. You're doing something in here now?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
You wanted to get out?
No, you can stay. I just
No, I'm gonna get out.
For sure.
I might come back in though.
Close the door.
Okay, of course. Was that making too much noise?
No.
Sorry, I didn't mean to alarm you. Sorry to bug you again. Do you know if Jason is home?
He's not.
He's not home?
No.
Stay back.
Wanna know what kind of yogurt I'm eating?
No.
I'll tell you. Forager creamy dairy-free cashew yogurt.
That is so cool. Thank you for telling me.
What the hell is going on?
No funny business.
I'm just cleaning up the trash. Babe, it's working.
Has it even gone off yet?
No, but David's already annoyed. I keep on stopping him while he's editing. And you can tell that he doesn't like it. Score.
When does the first one go off?
4 o'clock. Here's the $1 million question. When?
Are we having a baby?
When?
Am I giving birth?
When?
Am I going to Barcelona?
When? You answer.
Did I shit in the toilet this morning?
Did you?
Yes.
When?
10 minutes ago.
Time. That is the key to all things. The answer to every question can be answered with time.
Ask me a question. What's the timer? Can you ask me a question?
Oh, yeah. What time is it?
Ask me a different question.
What color is my underwear?
5:46 p.m.
Time answers all questions. 5:46 p.m. Therefore, I am. Right, Kristen?
Being weird.
Time.
You're being artsy.
Scott, I'm trying to edit right now.
You must be trying to edit right now. Thank you so much for your time.
When will my diarrhea go away?
In due time. Duke time.
I think you might have set it for 4 a.m.
No, those clocks are only 12-hour clocks. You can't do that.
No, I think you did though.
Is someone cooking something?
This mixtape.
What did you just say? Did you just say timer?
MIA, third world democracy. Yeah, I got more records than the KGB. So, no funny business. You already are.
Did you put something in my room? Like a bomb, David?
When you open the door, I think someone's here.
I don't think anyone's here. You sure?
Was that you guys? Was that you too?
Yeah.
Fucking shit.
It was about time.
Place is gonna blow up.
What's that, lunch? It was about time for lunch, huh?
There's something beeping in my room. Don't act like I'm crazy for asking that. Are you guys seriously sitting around playing little jokes on me?
Huh?
Are you doing little pranky jokes on me?
No.
You guys jokesters?
What?
What the hell did you put in here?
Nothing.
Is it a bag of poop? Am I gonna step on it? When did you get that in there?
3, 2, 1.
Oh shit, it's
Ow! What was that for? I can't.
Did you get that, Scott?
Yeah, I got that. That was really dope. Jason, it was just, a little clock
When did you put that in there?
an hour ago.
Scott, your pranks are fucking insane. Don't you dare eat Charlie's candy. David, put that down! David, put that down!
Your behavior is alarming!
David, put that down! That's Charlie's!
Time's up. Jason, I left that clock in there in case you want it to help wake you up in the morning, because I know sometimes you don't wake up in time to take your kids to school.
Scott, cue the inspirational music right now. Quiet, David! I'm having my big moment in Scott's vlog! Cue the inspirational music. Scott, I couldn't have been more wrong about what just happened in there. I guess I need to take a long look at myself because I thought you were pranking me. Ow! I saw you in the mirror! No! Charlie's scared me! Charlie's scared me!
And so concludes the epic alarm clock prank, parentheses, freak out, with David Dobrik, Jason Nash, Natalie, Todd, Corinna, Scott Sire, Link, Duke, and Kristen.
We did great.
We did a good job. We're good prankers.
We're gonna get better at this.
We're gonna be better prankers. And one day we're gonna have the greatest prank in the whole world. But for now, we have a pretty good prank in the world. You're okay.
Never mind.
Well, everyone, that's all the time we have for today. So thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to see more from me in the future, I give a shout out to someone with my notifications on. And today that person is Melissa. Melissa, go ahead. David, give me a little acapella rap right now for Melissa.
Melissa, making me feel like a villa. Villa in the house in the Hawaii suite. Milla. So much money in my pocket makes me.
That was amazing. Thank you. Let's roll it to the credits. Whoop!
I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get.
Jesus, I didn't even know. I didn't know you were following me. No, what is this vlog about today?
This vlog?
Is there some deep meaning that I'm missing?
Maybe. How come the ones that you said aren't going off?
I didn't turn them on.
Why didn't you turn them on?
Look, I set all of them, but I didn't flick on the on. This one's now on, but
What times did you set them for?
I don't remember.
Why did you turn them on?
I don't know. You're stupid too.
Hey. I'm not very good at this whole prank thing.
Oh yeah, these are actually pretty good. I really like them.
Like mad.
Dude, what the fuck?
What did you just say?
I like how long Todd's dick is.
Oh, never mind.
You should title this video Tiempo.
That's time in Spanish, isn't it?
It's time you learn Spanish.
You're so cultured. With a prank that bad, I should be on
Time out.
time out.